So we're going to take a driving video here of the 1948 Packard Custom 8. So we'll turn again. Sorry, we got a little glare here from the sun. Turn the ignition on again. It's like half a revolution this car's running. It is so incredibly smooth. I'm going to close my door here and take the brake off. And we're going to put her in drive. And then I'm gonna just let the clutch out here. I don't even have to give the car any gas. So I'm not even put my foot on the accelerator. And here we are, we're already moving down the road. I've not even touched the accelerator pedal. This car has amazing torque with that straight 8 motor, and the car absolutely is as easy to drive as can be. Second gear right here, and you can see the speedometer works, the odometer and the trip meter work. Put our turn signal on. We've got a, you can't really see it, but we've got a turn signal indicator that we're gonna wait for this last car to come by here. Turn signal works. This car idles in traffic, stays cool, doesn't overheat. There's a lot of things that you would appreciate about this car that you'll have to resolve with some others if they haven't been used in a while. So anyway, we get going down the road, and easy to drive. The steering, I'm steering the wheel with one hand, right into second. This car has overdrive. You can see maybe this light right here, and I'm gonna go into, let me go into third gear. I've got a little yellow light on right here, and as I'm going down the road, you probably can't hear the engine, but it's kind of coming up to speed. Now, as soon as I let my foot off the gas, the car's in overdrive, and that light is off. So we're going down the road. I'm gonna put my signal on. Brake pedal is solid. I'm gonna get on the brakes kind of hard for you. And as you can see, you can lock the wheels right up. There's no mushy pedal or anything. Very, very solid brakes, tight brakes. We've had this car inspected recently. I was taking it on a trip and had a full inspection done, and everything checked out perfectly. I think I'm in third gear already. All right, again, my light's on right here, so that means my overdrive is ready to be selected. I let my foot off the gas, that light goes out, and we're now driving in third gear with the overdrive engaged. Got a little construction action coming up here. And then downshifting right into second gear. Okay. I'm gonna wait on some clearance here, but still right into first gear. I'm gonna let my foot off the clutch to spin the transmission. I push it in right into first gear. You don't have to force the gears. The linkage is silky smooth. And then again, off we go. So I'll kind of accelerate a little bit harder here. You can hear it rev up. Third gear. And then I'm in the overdrive. And we're just tooling down the road. You could drive this car on a country road, you could drive it on the interstate. I've driven it on both. The car tracks smooth. It doesn't pull to the left or right. It's just a good driving car. Else to tell you about the Packard, but it just floats around. There's no rattles. You go to a little bump right there, you don't hear anything rattle. It's super quiet. Just a joy to drive. You could drive this car information from the venting system. I'm gonna take a turn here real quick, up to second gear. Like I said, this thing, kind of sharp there, but it steers easily, and the steering wheel too. This has been recast. The shift knob has been recast. Right in the third gear, overdrive light is on. We're now in overdrive, and I know I'm driving into the sun here. It's probably not the best lighting for a video. We're going to come up into the shade. We'll take a pause here, and I think this will be the end of our driving video. If you have any questions, though, I mean, feel free to send me an email or direct message me on YouTube or whatever, and I'd be glad to talk more with you about the car. Any other videos you want, pictures maybe. But you could drive this car all day long. This is a car that I kind of hate to see go. It's one of the good ones. The glass, you just look at it, and I know you can't see much, but the windshield, all the chrome inside, just absolute perfection. And I said the windshield wipers work, and you know, there's nothing on here that doesn't, other than the gas gauge is not reliable. But this is what it looked like in 1948 going down the road. And you know, it's often said too that if you had a car like this, you didn't sit here in the driver's seat, you were here in the back seat, and that's the best ride in this car is the being riding in the back. So anyway, I think that'll do it for our Custom 8 video. And yeah, I'm sorry about that glare, but let's just do this. We'll come to a stop right here. Nice stop. Car stops great. I don't know what else to tell you, but we're gonna put her in drive, and again, didn't even have my foot on the accelerator, and we're moving. Super easy car to drive. You'll love it.